Hey there, Seahorse here, and welcome back to part 2 of relining the pool. Last time, in part 1, the guys from MGK Pools removed both the roots threatening to poke through the liner and the soft sand bed under the liner all the way down to the sub bed made of stone dust. In this video, you will see how they rebuilt the bed and installed the new liner. First, they added more stone dust to the pre-existing stone dust sub bed and tamped it down. Then they placed a soft pad on top to protect the liner from the stone dust. Finally, they stretched, folded, and installed the new liner that had been sitting in the sun to warm up and be more pliable for the installation process. This time I chose a different pattern than that of the original liner, and the color seems to go even better with the bone tone of the dome itself.
Don't build your pool under a tree. Pools under trees are a no. So I built my pool under 3, forgetting that trees like to grow.
At this point, we were ready for the water delivery truck, but while we awaited the water truck's arrival, we set the liner bed with some water from our hose and remembered to have a short dance party to pass the time. When the Ben water truck arrived, the pool was filled with fresh water in short order. May I offer a big thank you to Jeff, the owner of Ben Water and Heavy Transport, Shane for delivering our pool water, and both Mandy and Caroline in dispatch for all your help with logistics. After Shane packed up and drove the big tanker truck away, which was great fun for my children to watch, MGK Pools finished setting up the new skimmer in return, along with a temporary flexible hose setup for the circulation and sanitation system. A few days later, the gas piper returned to hard pipe the circulation and sanitation system and hooked up the pool's gas heater as well. Naturally, we videoed that process, and there will be a whole separate video on the replumbing. But for now, I want to offer a big thank you to both Mike, the owner at MGK Pools, and the installation team for all their hard work and professionalism in replacing the liner in my pool and saving our pool season from being ruined by roots. As always, there is a funny song to accompany the rest of the video, but this time it is a rock remix of the song Don't Rely on Me from part 1 of this video series. If you haven't seen that yet, you can click the link here. The moral of the story here is obviously, don't be like me and put your pool under a tree. But if you do, well, then that's on you.
To grow, but I had a nice liner, it was shiny and new. Saw some roots at the bottom, but not yet poking through. I was in a panic, the pool I just got her. All went along like, will I lose all the drain the water, guess that makes me the fool. Didn't prepare the ground like I oughta. But I had a nice liner, it was shiny and new. Saw some roots at the bottom, but not yet poking through. Now I'm in a panic, the pool I just got her. All season long, like will I lose all the So the pool installer is coming back around, replacing the liner, chopping roots from the ground. Don't build your pool under a tree. Pools under trees are a no. So I built my pool under 3, forgetting that trees like to grow. Now I'm in a panic, the pool I just got her all season long, like will I lose all the water? But I had a nice liner, it was shiny and new. Saw some roots at the bottom, but not yet poking through.
Forever says hi. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe so we can keep making these fun videos. Thanks for watching.